How to use HMA Pro VPN on Linux with OAST OpenVPN GUI. OAST OpenVPN Registered GUI is an OpenVPN registered client for both Windows and Linux. The best way to get started with OAST for Linux is to download the script installer files: Linux x86 client, Linux x86 client, Linux x86-64 client, Linux x86-64 client. The software requires that the OpenVPN service and Java runtime environment are installed. Make sure to install these packages prior to installing OAST. Sudo apt-get install open default JRE-SUY right arrow Debian-based distributions, Ubuntu, Mint, sudo yum install y open Java 1.8.0 open JKK right arrow RPM-based distributions. Fedora, CentOS. Now it's time to get the star.open config profiles for the VPN servers, all TCP plus UDP config files as .zip. http://hidms.com/vpn-config/vpn-config.zip. Single TCP config files, http://hidms.com/vpn-config/tcp. Single UDP config files, http://hidms.com/vpn-config/udp. The star.open profiles should be put into the folder /etc/open so you can extract the content of the .zip. Archive via GUI using favorite archiving tool to that folder, or do it via terminal. Book at http://hidms.com/vpn-config/vpn-config.zip sudo unzip vpn-config.zip. d/etc/open. In order to install OAST, follow these steps. 1. Download the OAST-2.4-linux-x86.sh file and save it to your downloads folder. 2. Open terminal by Ctrl+Alt+T, then enter the following commands: cd download/rightward arrow to open the directory where the file is located, sudo mod+x OAST-2.4-linux-x86.sh. Rightward arrow to make the file executable /OS2.4-linux-x86.sh. Rightward arrow to execute the file, try //2.4-linux-x86.sh. If not working, the installer window should appear. Follow the setup instructions. Create a new directory for OAST in the next step. When the installation is done, click Generate an automatic installation script. Name it IE Auto Installation Script. Launch OAST via Start menu, or on Ubuntu via Unity Dock by typing OAST. Enter your HMA account username and password, and then click the Settings button. Browse to /etc/open and select star.open file of the VPN server you wish to connect to. Once you have loaded the file, click the Connect button. Wait for the connection to be established. When you see the message "the connection was successfully established," you are connected to the VPN. Go to http://goip.hidms.com to verify that your IP address has changed.